Are you an avid drone flyer? Maybe you travel a lot with your gear and want to make sure it's staying as safe as possible? Lucky for you, I've got just the solution. Hi, I'm Caitlin, and today I'm going to talk about the NANUK 915 hard case for DJI Mavic Air 2S. If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you like, subscribe, and don't forget to tap that notification bell so you never miss out on all of our latest products. NANUK protective cases were primarily designed for things like frontline protection, search and rescue missions, or the military. That fact alone should tell you these things are made tough. The 915 is IP67 waterproof and dustproof and completely impenetrable. It's made of a lightweight yet tough NK7 resin shell with stainless steel hardware. It also has a soft grip handle to make travel not only easy, but also comfortable. There are two reinforced metal eyelets to accommodate TSA accepted case locks, so you'll be flying through the airport in no time. Little lesson for you here. A vacuum lock is something that can effectively seal a case shut, and these are made possible through changes in altitude, temperature, humidity, or even geographic location. However, the NANUK has an integrated automatic pressure release valve that is able to equalize this atmospheric pressure difference. It also has a micro vent that allows air to pass through while preventing water from entering. What does this mean for you? Basically, all you need to know is your gear will be safe, secure, and dry at all times while stowed away in the 915. Speaking of keeping your case safe, there's a power claw latching system on this bad boy that uses compressive force and triple action to clamp your case tight. There are these integrated slide locks over here for added security so your case won't open during transport or if you accidentally drop it. The 915 is specifically designed for the DJI Mavic Air 2S Fly More combo. The interior is filled with closed-cell, high-quality foam that has been pre-cut to specifically fit that combo. You can carry the drone, 3 extra batteries, the remote control, extra propellers, and charging accessories. It's impact-resistant, lightweight, and shock-absorbent. It's MIL spec certified and is backed by a lifetime warranty. It stands at about 6.8 inches tall, 15.8 inches wide, and 12.1 inches in depth. If you have any other questions about the NANUK 915 hard case, please reach out to us by phone, email, or chat with one of our experts online. We are always happy to help. I'll see you next time.